Imagine this. You're diligently working out, but you're still plagued by back pain. It's a frustrating scenario, but there's a solution that many people overlook. A seasoned Pilates instructor, Gemma Folkard, has a unique perspective on how to alleviate this issue. She suggests focusing on a specific type of movement that can make a world of difference. But here's where it gets controversial. This approach might not be what you'd expect. Let's dive in. Crafting a well-rounded workout routine that targets all parts of your body can be a daunting task. If you're looking to streamline your workouts, consider splitting them into pull and push sessions. This method is particularly popular for upper body weight training, but Folkard argues that it can be just as effective for lower body workouts, even without weights. Push movements, Folkard explains, include exercises like push-ups, squats, and shoulder presses. These movements train muscles that extend or straighten joints, such as the chest, triceps, quadriceps, and shoulders. Essentially, these muscles push away from the body. On the other hand, pull movements encompass exercises like pull-ups, rows, and deadlifts. These target muscles that flex or bend joints, including the back, biceps, hamstrings, and rear deltoids. But why are lower body pull exercises so beneficial? Lower body push movements like squats and lunges are common, but incorporating pull exercises into your leg day routine can offer numerous advantages. Lower body pull exercises are fantastic for strengthening the posterior chain, Folkard says. This includes muscles along the back of your body, such as the hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. These exercises can also fortify the hip flexors, which often become weak due to prolonged sitting. We know stretching these muscles is beneficial, but tight hip flexors can also indicate weakness or lack of flexibility, Folkard elaborates. When these muscles are underused, other muscles, particularly around the spine, have to overcompensate. This is often where back pain starts due to postural inefficiencies. And this is the part most people miss. Lower body pull exercises can also help alleviate knee pain. Anterior pull exercises benefit the quadriceps, which are crucial for knee stability and basic functions like walking, running, and more explosive movements such as jumping and kicking, Folkard explains. Folkard has shared a Pilates-inspired lower body pull workout that you can try at home. All you need is a resistance band, but these exercises can also be effective with just your body weight. Supine leg pulls reps, 5 to 6 each side. Lie on your back with your hands by your sides and palms down. Loop the band around your feet. Maintain a neutral pelvis and draw your legs to a tabletop position, with knees directly above the hips and held at a 90-degree angle, shins parallel to the floor. Flex your feet and press out slightly into the band to create tension. Extend one leg away while the other knee pulls in. Focus on the pulling action as you switch legs. To make this move more challenging, place your hands behind your head and lift your chest while continuing the movement. This recruits more muscle groups and creates a fully integrated exercise for the whole body. Shoulder bridge leg pulls. Reps, 6 to 8 each side. Lie supine with the band looped around your feet. Lift your hips and spine off the mat so that you are supported by your upper back, arms, and feet. Keep your lower ribs drawing towards your hips to lengthen your lower back. Holding this shape, on your exhale, pull one leg in towards your body, driving up against the resistance of the loop band. Place it down on the inhale and switch. Standing leg pulls reps, 6 to 8 each side. Stand with the band looped around your feet with your hands behind your head or on your hips. Drive one knee into your body and pause for a split second before returning it to the floor and switching. Complete 6 to 8 reps on each side. So, are you ready to give these exercises a try? Do you think incorporating more pull movements into your routine could make a significant difference in your back pain? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you have any other tips or controversial viewpoints on workout routines, we'd love to hear them.